That's where he did it. There you go. Now you don't have to sit down. Oh, this is the one that we passed. He like kept you around for something. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I saw 2 Jeeps get pulled out on those tracks. One JK and one JK. Are you asking why I'm doing it sideways?
I know why you're doing it sideways.
Okay. So it doesn't
So
roll?
it doesn't roll off.
Not going to roll off. I ain't taking a chance.
I know, but the front's still hooked up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, too bad I didn't have a tampon to shove into this axle.
Oh, dude, we should go get a tampon and fill it.
Anybody got a tampon?
Hey, we need a tampon.
20?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we want a tampon.
It worked.
Seriously.
What?
Just go get one. I don't use them anymore.
Hey, can I make a tooth out of this?
Spit on it.
Yeah, I brought that, but I didn't bring any of the impacts because I figured you were throwing it back together.
I have my
didn't bring
impact.
shit.
I have my impact.
I did bring me.
Oh, he's got one?
No, we're just gonna shove it in there so we can have it on the tire.
Well, can we just go high enough to push it on there?
Yeah. There's always gotta be one.
Of course. I've got some.
Huh?
We've got some.
Oh my God. I actually looked over and you went like this. We got some. I'm like, alright.
Oh, that's a big hole. You might need two.
So you were actually serious.
Yeah. I had a Jeep come in yesterday.
Yeah, I saw it.
And I'm like,
Yeah, that was.
yeah, that was. We had 5 of them in there. What you guys done with the boys?
It was last night that I learned that there was as much function in those as there is.
I was a wall guy.
Wherever that came from.
Man,
Yeah.
that's our theft deterrent system because we don't ever lock the Jeep, of course. So go ahead, break into the center console. That's always on top.
No, honestly, I have to go through digging through glove compartment. You were putting it on a lug with a lug. And I always.
Yep, they're everywhere.
That was always in there.
Yep. So what happened here?
Axle broke.
Where did it break?
So I think it's time he gets an 8.8 now.
Here you go.
What are you doing? I'm giving you that. Go stick in the hole.
How many? Hey!
Look at me here, replace every bar.
It's not doing the thingy bobber.
Pre-lubed, ready to go.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to touch my shaft?
Oh, you never asked.
Not as long as it used to.
Seems shorter. Wait, I gotta get my picture.
Where's your break?
Jim, your shaft seems shorter. Your shaft seems shorter.
The water was cold, damn it! Hey, hold
Where are
on.
you on?
Truck stop.
You need more than
I
one?
have the video here.
Watch your shaft.
Oh my God, you're gonna break it wrong.
Oh, these are bigger ones.
Literally hit tampon.
Should you spray water on them so they expand?
Oh, that would be awesome.
That's what I just told him. Hold on, I got a water
Hey,
bottle
where's the
right
water? So is that how do you...
You need another one?
here. You need an activator.
Super small.
What can I say?
Apparently you should, yeah. Yeah. I think I like your setup. That was approved.
You really need another one of it?
All right, now we can take a picture.
Hey, I am setting up a GoFundMe, taking donations.
$5 a picture?
Yeah.
Alright, so break these upgrade. What are you going at?
Hey,
I don't know. We gotta assess the
Yeah, we
total
hope to
damage.
get it off the trail.
no. No, you gotta look again.
I didn't see the front of that.
Guys,
Are you kidding me? Ah!
Waco Patrol 22.
You just had to try it. You just had to try it. You feel better now?
Yeah, it was.
Oh. Put your channel out here now.
I know, right?
Everybody's helping. Waco Patrol 22.
Oh, this will be on there. I'm filming.
They fixed it?
What do you think? I let it go get fixed.